Hey Texas! Spring is in full bloom at your neighborhood Callaways and Cornelius Nursery. We invite you in to experience one of our 29 locations so you can discover the beauty of the season. With 29 convenient locations from Dallas-Fort Worth to Cedar Park, Houston, down to Galveston, we have a store near you where you'll experience a vast selection of top quality plants and products, along with our expert advice from our Texas certified nursery professionals. We're here to deliver exceptional service that you deserve. This is all coupled by our 100% satisfaction guarantee because we want you to grow with success.